मोबायल फोन फारोवपी 3 मनशाच्या टोळयेक गोंय पुलिशेन धरिल्लो आसा. ह्या टोळये कडल्यान 7,50,000 रुपयाचे 23 मोबायल फोन जप्त केल्यात अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक नितीन वाल्सन हांणी दिल्या. राती उसरा चोरयो करपाक हे चोर भोंवताले. तशेंच आपूण भेरो आनी मुको अशें सांगून ते चोरी करताले अशी माहिती ह्या वेळार पुलिशेन दिल्या. चोर मूळ कर्नाटका शिमोगा वाठारांत रावपी म्हणून कळ्ळा आनी पुलीस आतां सध्या फुडलो तपास करतात.
आज पनाजी पुलिस स्टेशन के स्टाफ अंडर पीआई निखिल और एसडीपीओ पणजी सुदेश के लीडरशिप में एक इंटरस्टेट गैंग ऑफ थीव्स को बस्ट किया है. वी हैव अरेस्टेड 3 people basically belonging to the district Shimoga from Karnataka. और from these accused people, we have recovered 23 mobile phones, which is approximately worth of 7,50,000 rupees. So yesterday evening we got a complaint on which we registered an FIR under section 380 IPC, wherein which the complainant had alleged that his mobile phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S10 worth 70,000 was stolen. Immediately Nikhil made a team and using human and technical int, the team nabbed 3 people. DK Lakshmana, age 26 years, Sandeep, age 30 years, or Santosh, age 25 years. They were all nabbed from Zuari Nagar. These people have come here and they were primarily targeting the people who are working in Goa on shift basis.